In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice on Wix. So if you've ever found yourself unsure or overwhelmed by this task, you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step together, making sure you understand everything along the way. Let's begin by heading to the Wix dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the setup section. It's your go-to place for configuring various aspects of your site, and invoicing is no exception. When you're there, hover over the menu option titled Getting Paid. It's important because all financial transactions and settings are centralized here, making them easily accessible. Next, click on the Invoices tab. This is the section of the dashboard where you manage all your invoicing needs. Clicking here will lead you to a page filled with tools and options to customize and send your invoices efficiently. On this page, locate and select the Get Started button. This will initiate the invoice creation process, bringing up a new interface where you'll input all the necessary details for a new invoice. Among the first things you'll do here is select a customer. It's simple, just choose from the list of customers you've already added to your Wix account. It's a good idea to keep your customer list updated to streamline this process. Once the customer is selected, you can move on to adding the title of your invoice. Think about making this clear and descriptive so that both you and your customer can easily identify what the invoice pertains to at a glance. Now let's detail the products or services you're invoicing for. Be as specific as possible, listing each item separately along with the prices. This will help to avoid any confusion or queries from your customers after they receive the invoice. Should you choose to offer a discount, this can also be added at this stage. Adding a discount can be a great way to foster better relationships with your clients. It might be labeled specifically or simply as a percentage of the total cost. Your choice. Next, consider if you need a deposit. If so, indicate the percentage or amount. This feature is extremely useful for large jobs or projects where you require some payment up front. The issue date of your invoice is auto-filled with today's date, but you can adjust it if needed. Similarly, set the due date. Remember, establishing clear payment timelines is essential for cash flow and staying organized. Finally, with all details in place, the last step is to click Send Invoice. With a single click, your invoice will be on its way to your customer, ready to be paid. And there you have it. You now have the know-how to create and send invoices with Wix, ensuring you get paid on time and keep your business running smoothly. Thanks for tuning in and happy invoicing.